Hello everyone, welcome to Python Application Programming Lecture Series. In this video, we will talk about string slices, strings are immutable, looping and countings, the in operators, and string comparison. String slices. The segment or portion of a string is called a slice. Only a required numbers of the character can be extracted from the string by using colon symbol. The basic syntax of the slices a string would be so string I colon j colon k. So I is the starting value, j is the end value, and k is the step size, So here, so j is excluded, so I is included, so starting value is included, and j is the end value is excluded. So this syntax is similar to range function. So in range function we are using start value comma end value comma step size. So instead of comma, here we are using colon symbol. So this will extract from the character of the string till j minus 1 the character in a string of k. If first index is not present, it means that slice should start from the beginning of the string. If the second index j is not mentioned, it indicates the slice should be till the end of the string. If the third parameter k, also known as a stretch, is used to indicate the number of steps to be incremented after extracting the first character. The default value of the string j is 1. So here the default value of the I is 0 and default value of the k is 1. So for example, so let's consider Monty Python is the sentence. So this is the indexing. So M is 0, O is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is fifth one 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So the n indexing is 11. So here the S is equal to Monty indexing. So within a code we return Monty indexing. So class is string. So so here so we assign s bracket 0 colon 4. So this here we are using square bracket, and so we initialize it 0 colon 4. So this instruction is going to print the index from 0 to 3. So here in 0 this is the index and this is the third one. So it's going to print M, O, N and T. So MO and T. So fourth indexing value is excluded. So again, so S bracket square bracket 6 colon 7. So this is the start value, this is the end value. So we know that start value is included and end value is excluded. So it's going to print sixth indexing value. The sixth indexing value is P. P is going to print it. So here S of 6 colon 20, the bracket is square bracket, so it's going to print sixth to end value. The printed value is Python. Again, so here S square bracket, so we have not initialized any value here, and colon 2. So here default value, Python interpreter will take default value. The default value for start is 0. It's going to print 0 to 2. So it will print 0 and 1. So 0 indexing value is M and one indexing value is O. It's going to print M and O. So again, S of 8 colon end value. So here end value, so we are not specifying any specific value, it will take the nth values. So it will take end value. So this is the 8th position, 8th indexing value. The value is t, so it's going to print t to nth values. So here nth value is 11. So 11th assigned value is n. So it's going to print thon. So here S we have not specified any value colon, and again end value we have not specified. So this is going to print entire string. The string is Monty Python.
Let's try this in interpreter. So for example, you take S is equal to Monty space Python. So this is a string. So here, so S of S square bracket 0 colon 4. So it will print the 0 indexing value and 1 in 1, 2 and 3. So here 4 is excluded. So this instruction is going to print M, O, N and T. So let's consider one more example. S 6 colon 7. So it will print P. So S of 6 to 20. So in step size is default step size is 1. It's going to print Python. So here the sixth value is, this is the sixth value, and end value is n. So here end value is excluded. The 11th till 11th indexing it's going to print. So again S bracket colon 2. So this is going to print. So here default value is 0 to first value M. 0 indexing value is M and first indexing is O. So print S 8 colon. So this instruction is going to print thon. So 8, this is the 8th indexing value and nth value is n. So and this instruction S colon, so will print the entire string. So here we have not initialized any starting value or end value. So it's going to print entire string. The string is Monty Python. So till now, so we are slicing by using positive step size. The step size, default step size is 1. So for example, so we can extract the string by using negative step size. So for example, you take S of 11 colon 0 colon -1. So here, so this is the -1 is the indexing. -1 values are alphabets is n. This is -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6, and this is 7, this is 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is going to print NOHTYPYTNO. So this is the n value. It's going to print first. So, and this is O is going to print second, and H is the next indexing value. At the last, it's going to print O value. So here values are vary from 11 to starting value is 11 to 11 and end value is 0. So 0 is excluded. So here the end value is 0. Sorry, end value is O.
Now we will look into immutability of the strings. The object of the string class are immutable. That is, one of the string are created or initialized, they can't be modified. No character in the string can be edited or deleted or added. Instead of, can create a new string using a existing string by imposing any modification is required. For example, so string st is equal to hello world. So hello world is the string we assign to st. Here, so st of square bracket 3 is equal to t. So here we are going to modify the third indexing value. So here the third indexing is, this is 0, this is first, and this is second, and this is third. So this indexing we are going to modify. So here we are going to modify L with the T. So if you give this instruction to Python, so Python interpreter will give the error. The error is type error. The string object does not support item assignment. So here we are trying to change the fourth characters in indexing. The third means fourth character as the first indexing is 0 to t. The error message is clearly stated that an assignment of the new item a string is not possible on a string object. So to achieve our requirement, we can create a new string by using slicing of existing string. So for example, this is our string st is equal to hello world. We have to replace L with the T. So here we create one more variable, string 1 st1 is equal to string of square bracket of colon 3. So here initialized value is, default value is 0 to 3. So we are going to print H E L. So end value is excluded. So this is going to print HEL. After that, we are using one operator plus. After that, we are adding T. So T plus. After that, so string st initial value is 4 and this is the end value. End value is nth value. So after third, after L, so we are going to add T. So after that, the initialized value is fourth value, and fourth value is, this is the O is the fourth indexing value. The O indexing value is 4. So this instruction is going to print O W O R L D. So if you print string 1, it's going to print HELTO space world. So here L is replaced by T in a new string st1. So this is the new string. So in new string we replaced L with the T. So this is the replaced position. So here we are going to print the value from 0 to 2 and here 4 to end value. Now we will see looping and countings in strings. Using loops on a strings, we can count the frequency of the occurrence of the character within the another string. The following program is demonstrate the such pattern on computation called a counter. Initially we accept one string and one character and single letter. our aim to find the total number of times the character has appeared in a string. The variable count is initialized to 0 and increment the each time a character is found. The program is, so this is the program. So here we declare one function, so def, and function name is count character and inputs are string and character colon, and this is the syntax. After that we initialize the value. The initial value for the count is 0. After that we declare one loop condition. Loop is for I in string st. So in within loop where we declared one condition. The condition is if I is equal to character, we are going to update the count. So count is equal to count plus 1. After that we are going to return this. So return the count. So this is the function. This is the function. The inputs are string. So input, enter a string, and character is another input. Enter a character to be counted. So after that, so we are going to count. C is equal to count character st comma string comma character. So after that we are going to print of 0. If within a flower bracket we declare 0, appeared 1 times in 2 dot format ch character c and string. So this is going to print, so number of character is appeared in a, how many times appeared in a string. So this flower bracket 0 dot format we are going to discuss later. So now, so this is going to print the how many times appeared in strings. So here let's consider one sample example. So enter a string. The enter string is hello, how are you? Again, interpreter asking the enter a character to be count. So here user input is h. So h appeared 2 times in hello, how are you? So just you count here. So this is the first time and this is the second time. So this is the user input. So here h appears in 2 times. Let's execute this in interpreter.
As this is the program, so this program it gives the number of character appears in the string. So this is the function, this is the function. So here the def is the keyword and function name is count character. The inputs are string and character. So initially we define count is equal to 0. Here we declare one loop. The loop is for loop, and within for loop we declare one condition. The condition is I is double equal to character. So this condition is true, we are going to update the counts. So after that we are going to return this. So just you run this code, the Python interpreter is asking the string, the string is hello, how are you? So again interpreter is asking enter a character to be counted. So let's say the character is h. So h appears in 2 times in hello, how are you? So this is h, this is the first time and this is the second time. So number of h in a string is 2.
The in operators in string. So the in operator of the Python is a Boolean operator which takes 2 string operands. It returns true if the first operand appears in the second operand. Otherwise it returns false. For example, so here the el in hello. So el is the first operand and second operand is hello. So here el is found in hello. So this in operator is written the true. So let's consider one more example. So x in hello. So here x is not found in hello. So x is the first operand and hello is the second operand. The first operand is not found in second one. So it returns the false statement. So this is the function of the in operators in string.
Let's execute this in interpreter. So for example, take el in allo. So here el is the first operand and in is the operator and allo is the second string. The function of the in is gives the true or false. So this is one of the boolean operator. So el is the first operand. If in case of this operator appears in the second operand, it gives the true, otherwise it gives the false. So here el appears here. So if you enter this, so it will gives the true value. So let's consider one more example. X in allo. So here x is not appear in second operands, so it gives the false. So let's consider one more example. Here I o is the first operand. This is the first operand. The operator is in, and second operand is I. How are you? So here, so I o is appeared. I o it's appeared in the second operand. So interpreter will gives the true. So for example, is x y z in I o are you. So this is xyz is not appeared in second operand I o are you. The interpreter will gives the false.
String comparison. The basic comparison operators like less than, greater than, or double equals, etc. can be applied on a string objects. Such comparison result in Boolean values true or false. So internally, such comparison happens using ASCII code of repetitive characters. So for example, we take string is equal to allo. So here st is the variable name. So variable name is equal to allo. Allo is the string. So within a double quote we return allo. So after that we declare one condition. The condition if string is equal to double equal to allo. So we are going to print same. So here allo number of characters are 5. So in string number of characters are 5. So this condition is true. So this condition is true. It's going to print same. The output is same as the value of containing in a string st and allo is the both are same. The equality result is true. So this condition is true. So it's going to print same. Let's consider one more example. So yes, st string is equal to allo. This is small letter hello. After that we declare one condition if string less than or equal to allo. This is capital letter hello. So we are going to print lesser, else we are going to print greater. So if condition is true, is going to print lesser, otherwise we are going to print greater. So here the output is greater because the ASCII value of the small letter h is greater than ASCII value of the capital letter h. Hence allo is greater than allo. So here this is the capital letter h, allo. So note that any programmer must know ASCII value of the some basic character. Here we have few ASCII values. So here A to Z. So this is capital letter A to Z. The ASCII value varies from 65 to 90, and this is a small letter A to Z. The values ASCII value varies from 97 to 122, and numbers 0 to 9. The ASCII value varies from 48 to 57, and space ASCII value is 32, and enter key ASCII value is 13. Thank you.